Hello, class. Today we're talking about homework help for 9.6, which is just still finding the area of a triangle or finding the area of a parallelogram. Nothing changes, but this time instead of using, we're going to add on to that what we learned yesterday about finding the top, going up to it, finding the base, finding the height, multiplying that out. We're going to add on to it by actually just using the equation. So let's say you have a triangle like the ones I have in my homework help video right here, right in the front screen. If you have a triangle that doesn't have a grid, but they just give you number lengths, you still can solve the area of that triangle, and I'll show you how. This is how we'll go through it. A few examples for us here, because nothing else changes. I'll draw a triangle. I'm drawing a triangle that looks like this. Okay. The equation for a triangle we learned for today is we have a triangle here equals 1/2 of the base times the height. Everyone remembers that. So it's the same thing we learned from the other day. It's just they're giving us an equation for it. So we're still finding that top point and getting up to it. 2, 3, getting over to it. Okay, we have a height of 1, 2, 3, 4. Height of 4. We have a base of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 4 equals 16. Times that by 1/2. So divide that in 2 equals 8. Nothing changes. The only difference is on your styling, it's going to ask you for a number model. Here's what I want you to put down. Number model. So I want you to put down a number model. You're going to put down 1/2 times 4 times 4. Everyone see that's not that difficult. That's nothing different than what we've been working on. All you're doing is you're actually just taking the numbers and you're writing it out. You want the 1/2 of 4 times 4. So you have 16. You want 1/2 of that. 8 was our area over here. So nothing's changed at all. Just asking for the number model. So remember, but this is what I want us to do. Everyone get good practice doing this. Label your height, label your base. Here's my height. Here's my base. Label that. So you'll always remember base times height, base times height. Label those base times height. Every single time, label that base times height. Okay, let's do another example together. Let's draw a funky triangle here. Just a really weird one. We're going to go 3 this way. We're going to go up to here. And then we're going to connect that. Ignore that line in the middle. Okay. Same thing. Pick a point. And I want this point right here. Go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go up, 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 up. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna label my base, I'm gonna label my height. Here's my base. Here's my height. My height is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have a height of 4. My base is 1, 2, 3. A base of 3. So my number model. I have 1/2 times 4 times 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. 1/2 of 12 equals 6. So my area for this triangle was 6. Okay, nothing's changing. Just writing out the number model. Let's do one more example here. I think we have a pretty good grasp of this. I'm not too concerned with it. We're going to go 2 here. We're going to go over 2. We're going to go across 2. And then we're going to go back down to the beginning. Okay, remember the equation for a parallelogram equals base times height. Even easier. Same thing we've been working on. First thing I want us to do, label that base, label that height. Here's my base. This point I picked, so we're going to go across to it. Here's my height. Okay, my height is 1, 2, 3. My base is 1, 2. My number model for this one is base times height, so 3 times 2 equals 6. Since it's a parallelogram, since it has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, you don't have to do anything to it. All you do is base times height. That's what they want for the number model, right here. Simple as that. That's all the examples I have for today. I'm pretty confident that we should have no problem doing these ones. Good luck on your homework, and I will see you tomorrow.